A video of it.
Well, well, well. If I wasn't doing this, I'd be eating some sushi. I like sushi. You like sushi too, right?
Nope.
Sushi is very good for you.
Unless it's poison.
Sushi is great, man. Some raw fish. Some salmonella fish. You ever have one?
Salmonella fish.
I love good sushi. It's good stuff.
What you doing? You just studying that box, or?
I'm wondering what is going on here. It got a little damage, which I can't figure out how that's possible.
Me neither, but it's a mystery we're never going to know the answer to. How could it? How could it?
That's why they call it a mystery?
That's right. And
yes.
I say we plug it in. Let's see what they do.
They did a nice solder job in there. I'm going to copy it.
Oh, okay.
I see what they do now. They do it a little different to me. I like it. Very, very interesting. And they use a 4002. No, it's a 4007. I like that too.
Who's we, sucker?
The original builders of this beautiful box. We got right here on their bench. It's a TNT, in case you can't read, you morons. Anyways.
It's dynamite.
So, what was I saying?
It weighs 4,000 pounds, and we love it.
It is heavy. It is heavy. So, yes, this coil got bent, if you can't tell. See it? See it?
Yeah.
Okay. Think about how close I got to get when I got to see something. But this coil got bent, but it got, somebody unbent it. So, I might have to rejuvenate that. There's a heated up combinage resistor. But, you know, that's not always the best sign in the world. It does have, check it out, because you don't see them too much anymore, because they always blew up, so they're all gone.
Yeah.
DEI 2SC2879s. These are 14-2Qs. They're all matched all the way across the board, and it's got 2290 DEIs. So this is the, you know, before the new
And it's a 2.6 right now.
It's a 2 driving 6. Isn't that what we're going to keep it?
Right now, the 2 pills bypassed.
But what is he just wants to keep it like that because he was talking about some other things, maybe.
I mean, he's open to whatever. Once we pull the bias out and kind of clean it up and find out if it works.
See, if it works, I think what we told him is he has to keep it the way it is unless he wants to replace all the pills. And then if he was going to replace the pills, he was thinking about making an 8-pill.
Right.
But if they're all good, use it till it blows up.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Or have us build another 8-pill, but do it in the kind of case we do it, so you have more. It's better cooling. This has a very nice heat sink in it.
Yes, it
but
does.
You know the style of this, right? It's good. It's got the heat sink goes to about here.
Yeah.
So, but the heat sink is almost the entire width. Almost the entire width of this box, which is good. I was to say cool, but that would be kind of
Right.
Oxymoron. Wait, I've heard of OxyClean. I'm not really sure what oxymoron means, but
I've been called an oxymoron, but I don't know if that's a compliment or not.
I think the person who called you, that was the moron. You're an oxymoron. No, you mean a moron, dude. Okay. 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 So what we're gonna do is plug it in and see if it smokes.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, that's the best way to do things, just so you know. Is just plug them in and let them rip.
Hammer it.
Get us the biggest power supply we got and a nice big driver.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try that. Do you have a gas mask?
For the smoke?
For the smoke.
We like inhaling it, man.
Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it straight like this with the radio, then I'm going to run the 5-pill into it.
Oh, okay, cool. So if it isn't blowing
I don't know why it blew up. I think it was running perfectly with the radio, and I put 150 watt dead key and 700 swing, and it blows up. No, we're going to try it like this. Hello. Oh. Yeah, right.
Should we put it?
Auto. And let's see what they got here. Can you see that? They got
That
those fancy
sideband,
words I can't.
preamp.
Sis? Sibit? And it works too.
It's got a variable.
And this has a preamp. And that works too. So, hello radio. A whole, what is it, 1,000 watt slug?
Oh boy.
Oh Lord.
That ain't doing
But don't
diddly.
worry about it, ain't no driving it yet.
She ain't doing diddly.
We need some drive. Can you hear me now? So wait,
Shoot.
why is the 2-pill disconnected? Because it needs a drive.
I'm not sure why they disconnected.
Well, let's have a little fun and tear this apart. We'll come back and.
Oh, because it was biased. Remember, too much drive would 2.6 would bias. So that's why he said rip all the. He doesn't want to talk sideband.
I don't want to hear his opinion if he's biased.
Yeah, he's very biased.
You know what I'm saying?
He wants to be unbiased.
How is it ever going to work if everyone's biased like that?
He wants him to make him
Take
unbiased.
the bias out, and then we're all good. We're all good
Right.
people.
Yes.
Oh, you're talking about the box.
Yeah.
Now, why? Because it's bias. Oh, okay, I got you.
See, so
Okay.
if we take all the bias out,
Well, let's try
then
this.
maybe we can make
let's
it a 2
flip
by
radios
6.
and try sideband. Let's do it right now.
Sideband? Who cares about sideband?
Yeah.
He doesn't want sideband.
It's in there now. I want to see how it's going to work with that radio. It should swing a lot higher.
He no wants.
Zip.
He don't wants it.
No, I don't. I'm talking about to see if the radio
He
is
said,
working.
make go bye-bye.
I just want to, for testing purposes.
It helps if I hit record. It works better when I hit record. Okay, so now we're on the HR 2510.
HR 2510. 25 bird watts going in and 30 coming out. Oh, that's smoking.
Yes, the amp is on.
I go
Okay.
through a lot of mics like that.
Yeah, right.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's nice.
I have many of them. I've learned to buy them ahead of time.
It's
I
got,
tried to pad the bench, too, to save the microphone.
Right.
But yeah, it's working real good. 30 in, 30 out. Oh, look at her go. The clown got down. Okay, so we'll check it out. We'll see what's going on. No smoke, nothing burning. It's probably something simple like all the pills are blown.
Okay, we'll be back.
We go
We'll go do something.
like that.
Shut up.
Okay, if you want to know what's going on with this, call somebody that knows.
Okay, who would that be? I don't know.
What we did, ladies and gentlemen, is we took this out, we plugged it in, and we turned it on. And we didn't get 1 watt. So I said, okay, what's wrong? We put some drive in it. We had some heating up in the 2-pill sections. Found out there were a couple of pills blown, one here, one there. Changed them just to see if it's going to work temporarily. And no. All the pills in the thing are blown.
Wow.
I don't know. Not in the driver, though. The driver's good.
Right, because that was bypassed at the time.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, that's why it didn't blow.
For some reason, these are not working. All the pills all blew. I don't know why they blew. All I know is I got it that way. It wasn't doing any watts. So I believe we changed all 6 pills, put the driver back in. Bam!
Chapow.
Back on the road again.
Pull the bias out. Oh, some spare parts and whatnot.
We got the bias right here. And we're going to make it into something else.
Yeah.
I don't know what.
A Class C 2x6.
All right.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. Who's that?
His handle is Mumbles.
Mumbles?
Yeah. You know what he said? Okay. I'm not sure what this is, but it's a Boss V800 Plus, which means it's a 4-pill. Who needs a Rubik's Cube when he got this? Okay. Oh, look at that. It's a 4-pill.
Oh, that one needs a wire upgrade.
Needs a cleanup. An aisle 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's he got? 4 old Toshibas in there?
Does he say it works?
I don't know.
Let's try it. See what happens. What do you think?
Yeah.
I mean, I like the Toshibas, so that's always a good thing.
Just plug her in.
Plug in
see
this
what
nice cord right here.
I like that. That's a doozy there, boy.
We have a solution for everything. You understand what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
We have solutions. How close I'm going to get.
Danger!
That's how you have fun. Does it work?
The light goes. The light's on. I think. Wait.
Let me show you how we test things.
Wait. Why is the light on?
Is it upside down? Right side up?
Oh yeah, it works.
Okay.
It stays on because it's got a capacitor in there. You know.
Capacitance. Worldwide, 22 got down.
Picker does watts.
Not very many, but it does watts. Better than no watts.
It's got about
Hello, radio.
10 watts reflect.
Hello, radio. Hello, radio. Hello, radio. Hello. Hello, radio. Doing about 300 bird. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, it's missing a couple hundred watts, but it's working. Which makes me believe it is just tuned wrong. This is very interesting. Yeah. This is their combined air. Splitter. Combined air. So the tunage, what do you got there? You got a 50, you got another 50, you got a 50, and let me guess, you got a 50. That's a lot of, it's 200 puff. That's a lot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It really shouldn't be 200 puff. It should be like 120.
Right.
For Toshibas. And on the way in, we have, can't see it. What? That could be the problem right there. If that's what I think it is. Let me pull this one off and check it.
Disconnect that power.
Cut the power. What are you worried about?
Juice.
You gotta be.
We'll be
you gotta
back.
be on the edge a little bit. This is
Yeah.
95 puff on the input. These are Toshibas. And these are unknown because they ground off numbers trying to hide them from people. I bet you they're 500s each, but those should be metals anyway. And these are ground off too, and I bet you they should be 330s unless somebody changed them. We're going to check those right now too and see what's going on. Because I think the only thing happening on this box is that it's out of tune.
Yeah.
It works, you know? It just has to work better. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah, maybe.
We check all of these. We got to make sure, you know?
Power cable upgrade.
You just got to make sure they're all working. It's easy enough to check. We want to change these anyways. We'll put 2 metals on here.
Yeah.
You dig? Because that's what takes the battle when you're putting all that juice through there, man. Those are 3 and a 2. 3 and 3. Okay, I'm happy with that. We check these real quick. Easy enough to check this stuff. This stuff is easy to check, so you do it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? These should be yes, it should do that. 480. That makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Not. Toshiba's, man. Somebody kind of made this thing. You dig what I'm saying?
Right.
I guarantee these were not in here. They put these here. They got these pills and put them in this case.
Oh, right. Right.
Guaranteed. And there was something else in there. So if that's 480, this might be 680 or something like that.
Right.
And that's a different kind of tuning.
Yeah, it might have had smaller pills in there originally.
750. It's an odd number, isn't it? It's not even a 680 or 820 or no, it's 750.
Clear that thing out. Maybe it's out of tune.
It's going to be even higher, so 800, which makes sense. So, you dig what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We need 1000s. This is Toshiba's, baby. Toshiba's.
Yeah, 775.
So, these need to be 1000s. These need to be 330s. This needs to be a 270, really.
Yeah.
This on the back end is usually about 120. If we change all that right now, I bet it does better.
Yeah, let's
do.
Let's do it. What did we do for now?
All I did is pull out this piece over here, pull out that piece over there, pulled out this cap, these 2 caps, these 2 caps. Okay, took this wire out, resoldered that into place, and then we checked all the solder connections over there, moved over this combiner, put change the capacitance on the input, change the capacitance on the output, made sure everything else was soldered in place over here, and a couple other things.
Okay.
Oh, we placed the metals, put metals on them.
Schmuck thousands?
Yeah.
330s?
Yeah, schmucker.
Hey.
So it's either going to totally burn up or work good.
Or work good. Okay.
Totally burn or work good. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh. Ooh, all that is the same.
How's that possible?
Well, because I gotta check I might need a little more on the output and a little less on the input.
Oh, okay.
You dig it?
I dig.
Because I didn't do it. This is just 100. I really need like 120. And I might need a little less right here.
Gotcha.
I got to figure out where I'm going to do that, son. 120, 120, 240. Okay, I got mercy.
Hello, radio. What in the world going on? 1. Okay, we need to get some more watts out of this guy here. Oh, 1.
So about 320. We need more watts. I'm going to try this over here. We're going to go a little bit more. And also, I don't know if I like the tuning here or here. I'm gonna try that actually. let me. This is a very odd
I know. I saw
relet. I'm not into this relet.
Yeah, that's weird, right?
The weird relet. Not that I talk weird or anything.
Hey.
Yes, sir. Okay. It's always nice when you leave the power on when you're doing this. So when stuff flies in there, it just automatically starts on fire.
Mm-hmm.
It's really pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It really is nice. Yeah. Low.
He tricked you.
Is that the same guy?
I don't know who that is.
Who dat?
Hey, good buddy. That's a new one.
Why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not, Tammy? Let's see if it affected it.
Check 1, 2, 1. No, we got about the same. Break. Oh, 1.
Let me turn this up a little bit, see what it does. Yeah, it's not going up in wattage, so that means we have to mess with this tuning over here. We definitely got to mess with the tuning over yonder. Because it's holding back. You know what I'm saying? It's holding back.
Yeah.
What is that? What do you
That is a 1,000 watt slug on peak.
Let's see. We'll try it.
Oh, 1. 1. Hello, radio. 1.
About 800-900.
1.
700.
Oh, 1.
If I had a bigger radio, it'd do more. It's perfect.
700 peak on that little
It works beautifully.
4-pill. Done.
It's clean. It works good. Everything's organized. Just talk and have a good time. It's got tons of audio, by the way.
I
I'm
can hear
going
it
to try this
buzzing.
for my driver and my 16 pill. For sure. It's a
Now we got to
perfect
do this one. We got the pills in, so we
driver. Right on!
gotta change all these pills. Okay, bye. We've been having fun with that 4-pill. Calling Skip. We got no condition, but we've been calling, and we've been running the 1 pill into the 16 pill up there, and it's been doing 2,000 birds. So we just wanted to make sure it was going to keep running and not overheat and all that good stuff. So anyway, got the fan hooked up. Thing works great, working perfect. So we moved on to this one because same owner for both boxes. Now, this one we tried to repair already. We replaced 2 pills. This one, as you can see, and this one, see they're DO8s. I don't know if you can see, but this light is so bright. We had replaced those because you can see all the original ones are. Oh, this light messes me up. Let me move over here. Is that focused? DEIs? Anyway, so when we first started working on this box, we found 2 blown pills. We replaced them. Things still didn't work. It originally didn't key up. Anyway, so we put the 2 pills in it, did some changes, whatever, and keyed it up, and it still didn't work, so we started pulling all the pills out. What's this thing doing? And 1, 2, 3 blown. What is this camera doing? And this leg fell right off. That's how we're always talking about how cheap these pills are. Look at this. The actual cap broke. Anyway, so 1, 2, 3 pills out of 6 pills were bad. So we're repilling the whole box. Gonna retune it and hope for the best. I don't know. We're gonna put. I think we're putting C's in there or something. I don't know. Look at
Watch this. A long time.
that. 410 on that. Nutty Professor, I'm going.
What is going on? Yeah?
What are you going to do
What do am I?
for this?
These?
New pills?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 new pills.
Brand new 2 SC 2879C pills.
And
I don't know if it works, but it looks great.
yeah. So we're going to try 1 2-pill section, right? Because we never really figured out exactly why this box blew to smithereens.
That's one way to put it.
I mean, there was like 4.
Oh,
We changed 2 pills, and then I took them all out, or we took them all out, and then there was 3 more. So essentially, it blew.
I don't even know why.
5 out
I
of
can't
6.
remember what we found. Let's see what happens. I know something smashed into it. You know what I mean? It was all whacked out.
Yeah.
I'm not sure exactly, but right now everything's disconnected. The 2 pills disconnected. All 3 2-pill sections are disconnected. We're going to try them individually. Now they've got new pills in it. It should work. Did I say should? What you were talking should. It's going to work. You gotta think suppository.
Yeah, suppository.
Okay, and I want to get this thing working, man. So we'll take this small cable here. So we'll make sure you have enough juice.
Woo! What is it? 4-aught?
It is.
Oh my goodness.
It's 4-aught. It's only going to 300 plus power supply, but it's made for my 1,000 ampere. So.
Yeah, but it connects to your stinking ungodly cap bank over there.
It's gonna go. Right now, I adapted it. I have an adaption.
Yes, it's got an adaption.
And I probably have some constipation the way I sound right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's
Stop messing around with your tricks.
Tricks are for kids.
Yes.
Okay, this is the rad. For rad.
Goes to the radio.
That's the rad.
Righteous.
This is the ant. But actually, I got this 1 pill in line too. I could always try with 1 into 2.
Oh, Lord, no.
Lord, won't you help me?
Get that out of line.
You're out of line, kid. You're out of line.
Get it out.
Let's see. Okay, so we put this on.
Okay.
Okay. I might want to go in the other room. But anyway, so here we are. We are going to check this one. No, wait, that one's done. I don't need. See, why is it hooked up to that one?
2-pill section's working, so we got to switch
We
it.
go over here. We go to this 2-pill section.
I
And
mean,
by the way,
I'm at
I'm
the
going to put a
driver's
little
seat.
disclaimer in here.
Yeah,
Do what I say, not what I do.
correct.
So if you try this and get electrocuted and start the house on fire, it's all on you.
Right on.
Safety first.
Oh, because you're doing it while it's plugged in?
Um,
No, it's not plugged in. No.
It's plugged in. It's just not on yet.
Oh,
I put it that on purpose so I can switch it on and off and
Ah.
not electrocute myself for once.
I see.
I have no words. Okay, who am I? I see!
Same guy as Acetone. Hey, he hasn't been around in a while. We got to get some of the
It's
old
true.
timers back out, man.
Yeah, Mr. Acetone's got to come back, man.
Yeah, there's all kinds of friends we haven't seen out here
Oh,
in a
man,
while.
we got to start
Panda,
getting... Yeah, the Panda Man.
Giraffe, Skull
the,
Man.
Skull Man. Oh, yeah, Skull Man hasn't been out here in a long time.
Of course, I think I lost a lot of stuff, so that might be a problem.
Could always get him back out here.
Yeah, we'll have to get him out.
You know?
Yeah.
Tip of the day guy.
Yep.
Hello, everybody. Okay, so it theoretically should work. But that's how we work around here. That's how we ride. You just go for it. So we're going to be testing this 2-pill section and hoping for the best.
See.
We always think suppository and hope it works. It's going back into here. It's got its own 150 on the back or whatever it is. I can't see it right now. So we'll start with that and see if we get anything.
And we just hope that it shows some kind of watts and doesn't smoke.
And not necessarily in that order.
Should we put the dummy load on?
What'd you call me?
Since you got about 400 watts reflect on your beam right about now?
I don't know 401. I was just gonna. We could if you want to change it. I just want to see if it's working. You know what I'm saying? It's only the radio driving it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me if it smokes. Oh, is it on?
Yes. It's still not doing watts, is it?
Well, hang on a second. I got testing. Oh.
Dear God.
What?
It's not doing any watts.
Well, you have this turned around for one. Oh. Okay. So it's doing watts.
Thank God.
So it's working, but it's just not tuned. Oh. 1.
Smoke! I see smoke!
So that's a problem.
That's a big problem.
This is touching, that's why. It wasn't supposed to be on there. It accidentally touched.
See what?
I'm blind.
What's touching?
Hold on, I'll show you in a second. I got a spark first.
Yeah, the juice is on there.
See this? It flipped back into place.
Watch it, Blassie. That there geek holds 10,000 volts.
Why did that do that to me?
Yeah, cool. Probably just blew one of the brand new pills.
Probably.
See, this is why I like to film, because they have no idea.
None.
The
But that's because I'm blind. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we're old, blind.
Oh,
we're still showing gigawatts.
now it's working. Watch. Oh.
Thank God we didn't blow a pill.
No, it just got a little hot because it was running in 2 directions at once.
Cool.
Is that you being, or is that me?
Who's being and what? Who? First of all, shut up.
And like it.
Okay, so we got watts out of that 2-pill section. I'm happy.
So
how many watts was it? That was
let me look. Here, hang on a second here. Ooh, about 180. You want to try the 1 pill?
Schmuck 80. No. Not really.
Why not? One.
Oh God. Don't do it.
1.
It's not doing any more watts.
Because I turned it all the way down.
Oh.
But okay, so the radio itself. Oh, see, I turned it way down. Oh. Watch. Oh. And it'll do more. It's and which is pretty good. It's doing 180 watts without tuning it.
Right.
So that's working.
Yeah. 1 down, 2 to go.
This time, watch what you're doing.
Right.
I've only got 25 kilowatts of lights above me right now. That light's something, man.
No excuses on the bowl.
So now we check number 2. Number 2.
A 1, a 2, a 3.
How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop? A 1, a 2, a 3.
That's
3 licks. Have you ever heard that one before?
Oh, man. It's a classic.
So that's how old you are.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't make the same mistake. Do not make the same mistake you just made. See, that's what happens when you walk away from what you're doing and you come back and do it again.
Yeah.
You kind of lose track of what you did.
Mm-hmm.
So we should get the same look, feel, smell, smoke. Oh.
Perfect.
Oh.
Exactly the same.
Say, okay.
Beautiful.
3 times out at the old ball game, okay?
2 down, 1 to go.
Okay.
Another time and 1 more show.
You have too much time on your hands.
Everything.
Here we go. You're going to start singing that one now. Too much time on your hands. Okay, let's see. Is that one disconnected? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we can get out of this one here. Bada boom, bada bing. What do you think? Think we'll get lucky 3 times in a row?
Come on, wattage in my cottage.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh.
That's all we need. That's all we need.
They're all working. So all we have to do is put them all back together, throw them in there, and watch it smoke.
Right.
We'll start with some low wattage.
How low can you go?
Pretty low.
We'll be back. We're having a variable again?
Oh. 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 Oh.
Holy smokes.
800 bird.
Do it again, my camera was out of whack.
800 bird watch, 6 pill got down.
Woo! Cotton picker smoking. Wow.
Hello, radio. I put it on the swing side. Oh, 11111. What in the world going on? The clown big nose got down. Should I try this?
No.
Why not? Oh.
No, don't do
Oh. I haven't keyed up. Okay. Oh. I disconnected it. Oh. So I turn this up a little bit. We'll get about 300 feet. Hello, radio. What's going on? 22 Illinois. Big nose got down. Ooh. I turn up a little more. Hello, radio. What's going on?
Wow.
I got some swing in my thing. The cloud 700 bird.
Ooh, let's try some peak action. 5,000 watt on peak.
One.
That is about 1100.
One. I think my batteries are dead.
Yeah, your peak ain't right.
No, my batteries are dead. Oh, one. Oh, man.
About 6 watts reflect on your antenna.
This is how you do it. Radio. 1,000 watt slug. Peak. Slam a jammer.
Slamming the 1,000.
Oh, 6 watts of flex.
This box is done.
Works mint.
It's perfect.
I mean, it couldn't work any better. I mean, literally, it's perfectly.
That's awesome. Something went right.
One.
Woo!
One. So you can key it at 550, it swings to 700.
That's
It
all.
works mint.
That's with that radio, yeah.
I like the swing side. I like you can dial it down, dial it up. That's my low side on the swing.
Oh, this thing's done. She's going home.
Works perfectly.
Beautiful. Next.
All it needed was 6 new pills.
Yeah, that's all.
I don't know what happened to it. I'll be honest with you.
I know.
Doesn't really matter. It just something didn't work.
Right.
But we put 6 new C pills in it. That's about all we did. Right? I mean, you got to change some 10 ohms. You got to change some 100 ohms in there to clean it up. Put it back on its dial. It's not 2 driving 6 working beautiful.
Mint. Got to change these resistors, and we're done.
Yep.
Okay. Of course, I had to do a little clowning up for our friend here before we shipped it out. It's a beautiful working little 4-pill Toshiba box. Had to get some clown lettering on there. Put all new screws in it. Had to put a big oversized one back here because that was kind of stripped out. Cleaned it up a little bit. And of course, you got to have a clown light. In the world of sound, I'm getting down. Yeah, put a little plug in the hole there too. Anytime you can plug up holes, it helps keep the air flowing out the back across the heatsink, you know. So stuck a little plug in there too. I'm going. And they even put some little rubber feet on there just to get her off the ground a little bit. Even that could help with cooling. That's all. And this one, couldn't do much with it. I put all new black screws in there. Just put a little clown tune on the top and a little see-through clown in there. Subtle. Small, subtle. That's all. Didn't want to mess with this. I don't even know if the vinyl's going to stick to this. It's like a powder coat, like a rough surface. So, who knows? I don't know how they did this, but just a cool old box. Not much you can do with it, but this one's done, ready to ship too, so. But I just had to let people know we are here. Break.